Cells are the smallest living unit and building block elements of an organism. All cells have three things in common. That is, all cells have cell membrane which separates the cell from outer environment. Cytoplasm is jelly-like fluid and DNA is the genetic material. There are two categories of cell, that is a eukaryotic cell, which is much complex cell, and prokaryotic cell, which don't have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Prokaryotic cell are always unicellular organism like bacteria. Now, what is the cell organelle? Organelles is a special little organ. They have unique job in the cell. The cell organelles like nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, like this. Nucleus contains DNA as the genetic material, which is having chromatin fibers which spreads from the DNA present inside the nucleus. DNA condenses into the structure known as chromosomes. Means chromatin fiber helps for making chromosomes. These are the chromosomes. The nucleus also contains nucleolus, which is the structure where ribosomes are made, and the ribosomes comes outside the nucleus and involve in protein formation process. When the ribosomes comes outside the nucleus, they floats with another cell organelles in cytoplasm, which is the jelly-like substance. And then the ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. When they attach to endoplasmic reticulum, they forms rough endoplasmic reticulum. And when they not attached to endoplasmic reticulum, they forms smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Means endoplasmic reticulums are rough and smooth type. Endoplasmic reticulum is the membrane bound cell organelle which transport the material which is produced by rough endoplasmic reticulum, that is protein, which filled in small vesicles and transport towards the Golgi apparatus. Like this. The Golgi body helps for packaging of the protein, and it also helps for the formation of carbohydrate and lipids. Vacuoles are the sac-like which stores the food. And these are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. But the vacuoles are larger in size in case of plant cell. Now we are going to see another cell organelle, lysosome. Lysosomes are garbage collector. They collect cellular debris. They are called as a suicide bag. They remove cellular debris with the help of a hydrolytic enzymes that helps for breakdown of the cellular debris. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. During the process of cellular respiration, mitochondria makes ATP molecules that provides energy for the cell for cellular activities. Cell maintain its shape through the cytoskeleton, and this cytoskeleton is made by microfilament and microtubules. Microfilaments are made by protein and microtubules